I'm gonna showcase the new update. Yes, you heard it. A new update. This update, I'm gonna show you guys the things that they added. Firstly, they added a probe truck. Let's check this out. This is it can't deploy, sadly. These people are like trying to fight me. We're gonna see. It could stand 58. This is watch it. Oh my gosh, it's already gone. Not even. One speed yet. That's how weak it is. Another cool thing they added is skills. First one, 100k, and also none of them spend your coins. The next one costs 500k. 2x probe placing speed, requires more than 5 million coins. 2x income from tornadoes. Then 15 million. This does not, or you get a free title. And then 20 million, a haste ability. And I think the title, if I could see, is Master. Right here. Yeah, and then next, I think we should try to find the secret in this video. Also, I'm pretty sure this is new. I don't think they added this. This looks completely new. I don't remember a DAO 6. They probably reworked it, but this, honestly, pretty good still. Other ado, they added a DRT3. Let me just show you this. Pretty good. And they added the Slayer 2, which is honestly really crazy. I have a feeling. I'm just gonna try to get the secret. It's like, who doesn't want to get secret? Alright, let's see, open it. No, nothing here. It's gonna take a long time. Oh my gosh. I'm going in tornado shelter. That's like another place. It has 2 doors in it. What is this game? They should add. Oh my gosh, I have so many ideas. If I had owner of this game, I don't know what I would do. Looks like we can't find the secret. Yeah, I definitely did not just spend 30 seconds. Definitely. Alright, so that's all we had today. I was gonna show Slayer 2. But, look at my money. And look how much that is. Yeah, I do not have the money to do that. But, no. Bye. Sorry for a short video. I'm gonna make these longer.